Good morning. I just wanted to take a minute and talk about the Secure Act, which Congress passed at the end of 2019. The Secure Act dramatically changes the way that we view retirement accounts now, and especially the way that we inherit from retirement accounts. And I'm talking about IRAs, 401ks, 403bs, those types of things. One big thing that I want to get out there is please go and chat with your financial advisor about your retirement accounts to see how this may affect you. Also, please go and talk to your elder law attorney or estate planning attorney to talk about how these changes may affect your plan. One of the big things that happened is when you reach retirement age, you have to take a required minimum distribution. So you have to take a certain amount from your retirement account. It used to be that that age was 70 and a half. Once you reached 70 and a half, you had to take money out. They've now increased that age to 72, which is kind of nice. We can let those accounts continue to grow tax-free until 72 and then start to pull some of those assets out and only be taxed on the amount that's pulled out. Now, the really big change, the thing that really affects our clients, is the elimination of what's called the stretch. So the stretch option is when a child, for example, would inherit from a retirement account, they could have the ability to take a required minimum distribution based off of their life expectancy. So they could take a little bit out of that account and allow it to stretch for their lifetime. When we're taking just a little bit out, typically that account would continue to grow. And then when that person passed away, they could pass it down to the next generation. And so we'd have massive amounts of wealth that have been untaxed that could transfer from generation to generation and only be taxed when the funds are pulled out of that account. That's no longer the case. Congress has decided that once that passes down to the next generation, that generation has to pull that money out within 10 years. There are a few caveats to that, which is why I say, please go and talk to your financial advisor and your estate planning attorney to see how these may affect you. Another really big thing is if we have a special needs individual or somebody that's disabled, they have stretch options available to them. So if you have a child or someone that's going to inherit that you want to leave money to that's special needs, please make sure that you reach out to an attorney to make sure that you transfer those assets in the right way. If they're not transferred in the correct way, then that child can receive all of those funds right out of the gate. And if that happens, they could lose their governmental benefits like SSI, Medicaid, those types of things. And for those individuals, those are very, very important benefits. And we can absolutely plan to help protect them. Another big change is how the minor beneficiaries inherit. Minor beneficiaries are allowed to stretch that account until they reach the age of majority, and then they also have to take it out within 10 years. So please make sure that you reach out and chat with a financial advisor about some of the changes that have happened under the Secure Act. And as always, we're here to help you. So if you have any questions, please feel free to call us here at Sarah's Law Firm. Our number is 989-567-2100, or come visit us online at sarahslawfirm.com. I'm Sarah Ostahowski, the founding attorney here, and I hope you have a great day.